In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Safari settings on iPhone. This process is essential for personalizing your browsing experience and enhancing your privacy. By adjusting these settings, you can make Safari work better for you. First, let's begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the gear icon, which is typically on your home screen. When you tap on it, you will enter the main settings menu. This is where all the customization begins. You will see various options that control different aspects of your device. Getting familiar with the Settings app is crucial because it allows you to adjust numerous features across your iPhone. Next, you will need to find Safari in the settings. If you are using a newer iOS version, simply scroll down to find Safari. If you're using an older version, tap on Apps first, then select Safari. Once you select it, you will see a variety of options available for customization. This part is vital because it lays the groundwork for your browsing preferences and privacy. Now that you are in the Safari settings, you can change various settings. One of the first options is the search engine. You can choose your default search engine from a list that includes Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Selecting the right search engine is important because it affects your search results and overall browsing experience. Choose one that you trust and prefer to use regularly. Next, look for the Tabs option. Here you can move the address bar to the top or bottom of the screen. This choice is about convenience and personal preference. Some users find it easier to access the address bar at the top, while others prefer it at the bottom. Adjusting this setting helps tailor Safari to your liking and improves your efficiency while browsing. Another important setting is downloads. By tapping on this option, you can choose where downloaded files are saved on your device. This is a useful feature because it helps you keep your files organized. You can select to save them to your iPhone or to the Files app, making it easier to manage your downloads later on. Moving on, you will find the Block Pop-ups option. By enabling this feature, you can block unwanted pop-up windows that often interrupt your browsing. This is important because it enhances your browsing experience and keeps distractions to a minimum. A clean browsing window allows you to focus better on your tasks. Next is the Prevent Cross-Site Tracking setting. Enabling this feature improves your privacy by limiting the tracking of your online activity across different websites. This helps avoid targeted ads and enhances your overall security while browsing. Protecting your privacy is crucial in today's digital age. The fraudulent website warning is another essential setting. When you enable this feature, Safari will warn you about suspected phishing or malicious websites. This is a critical safety measure that helps protect you from online scams. It's always better to be cautious and informed while navigating the web. Continuing, you will see options to manage camera, microphone, and location permissions. By tapping on these, you can control which websites have access to these features. This is a significant aspect of privacy. You want to ensure that only trusted sites can utilize your device's capabilities. Next, let's discuss extensions. In this section, you can enable, disable, or manage Safari extensions. These add-ons can enhance your browsing experience by providing additional functionalities. Customizing extensions allows you to tailor Safari to meet your specific needs. Finally, if you want to clear your browsing history and website data, you can find that option here as well. Tapping on Clear History and Website Data will remove your browsing history, cookies, and cache. This action can help improve Safari's performance and maintain your privacy. You can also customize Safari while browsing. Open Safari and tap the Page menu button in the address bar. From there, you can adjust options like Reader, Text Size, and Request Desktop Website. This allows for a more personalized browsing experience. By following these steps, you can easily change Safari settings on your iPhone. Enjoy browsing with enhanced privacy and customization.